Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys know, because it was literally a week ago, that I took some bleach to my hair, and you know, it was a journey. You can go watch that video on how this blonde happened. The ends turned out great, and you know what, we fixed these two rogue stripe pieces in the front, but I can't dig this. Like, that separation of like my natural regrowth and the blonde, and already my roots coming through after a week. My hair is growing so fast for some reason. I need a little bit of like a gradual, you know, effect. I had ordered this from Look Fantastic. It's the Christoph Robin Temporary Color Gel in Dark Blonde. It is temporary, so it does wash out between 5 and 7 washes. I'm hoping it's not a one-time use, because that would be annoying, because it was like over 30 pounds. So I'm not going this color all over. I just want it right here. So let's get started. I think everything, yeah, it just comes like pre-done. I'm guessing it's like a touch-up so you can use it multiple times. If I was doing my whole head though, that would be single use for sure. So it comes with like a little toothbrush, like a little comb, and gloves. First things first, I'm gonna section away where we're going to do this, and then put all the other pieces of my hair in a ponytail. Okay, I think that's pretty much all the areas that we need to cover, just at the roots. I'm probably gonna keep it mostly right here anyways. I'm gonna take this brush and dip it in my water and brush my front pieces so that it's a little bit more damp, like the box says. So I didn't dampen the bottom section of these pieces just because I'm not putting any of that color on them. So I didn't want to get them wet. I'm gonna get these really sleek black gloves on. Ooh, this is literally like a toothbrush. I'm gonna put a small amount. Oh, it looks dark. Cool, 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 cool. And I'm going to brush it right onto these bad boys. Keeping it, I don't want to go to the very, very front. I just want it on like the really blonde, stripy area. I feel like this is gonna work, guys. Maybe I'll put a little bit on like my natural hair so then it blends rather than just whatever color it's gonna give me. Oh no, I feel like it could go red. It looks like it's pulling quite golden, but that could be because it's going on top of like bleached toned hair. Pray this works for me, guys. Oh, I actually have a gray there. That's perfect. We'll pop it on there and just brush it away. I'm gonna pull it through closer to the area of my stripe, so back here, but keep it further up once we come to the closer part of our face. How's it looking, guys? It's looking better. Like, you can tell it's definitely warmer, but you know what, that's better than like such a harsh line. At least it's a gradual line from natural root, warm root to bleached root. I'm gonna lay it on thick here. Like, let's get going. Dark blonde. I don't want golden blonde, I want dark blonde like the bottle says. Okay, 40 minutes. Let's leave it on. See you on the flip side. So you know what this part means. Oh, okay, well, it doesn't look as obvious when I sit down, but I think I got the wrong bottle because I don't see dark blonde, I see dark orange. Okay, well, so everything else, I put a nice, like, oh, we're really high up. I put a really nice Kevin Murphy purple treatment on the ends of my hair because they were starting to get brassy. So everything else is nice and creamy and toned, and then I didn't tone this, and I didn't even like rinse it with shampoo. I literally just took it out with water and then kept these pieces in front and did the rest of my hair. Like the box said, you can't shampoo it, but it like made it like, is that dark blonde? Like, that's dark orange. So funny story, my hairdresser messaged me, as she does when she sees I'm doing something irresponsible, and she was like, look, I don't live far from you, I'm gonna mix something up, you can pick it up on my doorstep. So this video isn't done yet. There's still light at the end of the tunnel, guys. And you know what, it's brought it down where like there definitely isn't a bleached front and roots. Now it's roots and an orange front. So I'm gonna go pick up whatever she mixed up for me. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so this is what she gave me. She wrote it down. It's Wella color, 5 mils of 5-97 and 15 mils of 7-97 color touch, Wella color touch. So we're gonna color touch those brassy areas right there. She literally mixed it up for me. What an angel. Thank you so much. And even gave, I'm out of breath because I'm like rushing to do this. And then she said to put it on for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna root tap. Guys, also in my other video, I love how hairdressers were commenting like things as if I should know. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Although I feel like it's starting to look a little bit better. This is always what happens when I do my hair. Like right before I fix it, I'm like, oh, maybe it's not too bad. No, this one's bad, I know it is. I'm gonna also just put it on a little bit of my actual root color, so then all blended. Might as well. I think this was semi-permanent as well as the other one, although it already looks like it's ashing it out compared to the warmth that that gel gave. You know what I look like? Those elves from Lord of the Rings, however they styled their hair. Cool. Okay, we're gonna leave that on for 30 minutes, maybe more, depending, but I can already see the warmth disappearing and it's actually going a nicer actual dark blonde, light brown. So see you on the flip side once again. It is the next day. Obviously you can tell my hair is a lot better. It's literally like before the first video I filmed with the bleach. It was a full circle, full 360 of hair evolution. Don't get me wrong, I did like the front brightness, but that like the two massive stripes, like they were just getting brassier and brassier. I didn't want to have to use that like blonde dye that I used in the previous video every like 2 weeks, just because it would be damaging on those front pieces that are already a little bit more fine than the rest of my hair. Obviously the rest of my hair is nice and healthy and I let it air dry. That's why it's a little bit of a poof ball. I tried to put some spray and products in it to make it look a little bit more presentable, but I'm actually really happy that dye that my hairdresser gave me definitely worked. There's a little bit of warmth peeking through, but I did put a purple treatment in before I did that process anyways. Everything else will warm up with a couple washes. It was a demi toner. It was a demi color, I think. She said it was semi-permanent, just like the warm gel, dark blonde gel that I put on previously to that. So both of those are going to wash out anyways, and this will probably lighten up over the next couple of weeks. But point of the whole process is, if you're going to do blonde at home, don't just wait for your hairdresser. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Although there will be no more experimental hair dye videos. This is the last one, I promise. Goodbye.